Driving is pogi. And when I say pogi, it means maayos, disciplined, and proper ang pagmamaneho. Hindi pwede ang rudeness dahil dadaling ka lang nito sa hindi magandang ending. Trust me, alam kong sinasabi ko. I'm Bob, your virtual blader, na tuturuan kayo ng common etiquette for driving. Number 1, and I can't stress this enough, seatbelt. Siguro naman hindi ko na para i-explain pa kung bakit. Next, never drink and drive. Ang alcohol ay nakakaapekto sa ating pag-iisip at maaari tayong dalhin ito sa hindi magandang sitwasyon kapag napabayaan natin. Driving requires your full undivided attention. And speaking of undivided attention, hi! Na-distract na naman ako. Anyway, ang mga distractions kagaya ng makeup, pagkain, texting at iba pang cellphone activities will interfere with your ability to respond immediately. Not to mention kung meron ka pang kasama sa loob ng sasakyan. Next, speed limit. Hindi lang bilis ito. Kahit mabagal ang takbo, maaari rin itong makaapekto sa ibang nagmamaneho. Distance is also important hindi lang sa mga tao ngayon, kahit sa mga sasakyan din. Maintaining proper distance gives you a proper time to respond in case huminto o may humarang sa harapan mo. Developing patience and practicing defensive driving will make you a safer and more courteous driver. Lagi nating tatandaan, safety first. At para sa iba pang Bla-de-Boom na tips and maintenance needs, visit blade.ph. At kung meron ka pang gustong i-add sa video na ito, jump into the comment section at pag-usapan natin yan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our new releases. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better.